Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will cover how to trim bushes with electric trimmer, your secret weapon for a tidy, beautiful yard. Before we begin, make sure to click the link in the description below for more details and recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more landscaping tips and tricks. Let's face it, overgrown bushes can make even the nicest yard look messy. But with the right electric trimmer and techniques, you can transform your landscape like a pro. Here's why electric trimmers are a game changer. 1. Speed and efficiency. They're much faster than manual shears. 2. Reduced effort. Say goodbye to hand fatigue. 3. Consistent cuts get that perfectly manicured look. 4. Versatility. Many models can handle multiple landscaping tasks. When choosing your trimmer, you'll need to decide between corded and cordless models. Corded trimmers offer unlimited power but limited mobility. Cordless trimmers give you freedom of movement but have limited battery life. Consider your yard size and trimming needs when making your choice. Look for features like appropriate cutting swath 12 to 18 inches for most homeowners. Comfortable ergonomics to reduce fatigue. Useful attachments for added versatility. Now, let's talk technique. The key is to adapt your approach based on the bush type and size. For smaller bushes, use an angled, outward motion. Curve inward slightly on top for a rounded shape. For medium bushes, start with the sides, then top, then bottom. Use sweeping motions for even results. For large bushes, work from top to bottom. Use a step stool if needed, but always maintain balance. Remember, different bush types require different approaches. Evergreens need gentle, frequent trims. Deciduous shrubs can handle more aggressive shaping. Be careful with flowering bushes. Know whether they bloom on old or new wood. Safety is crucial when using electric trimmers. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Maintain proper footing and balance. Keep the blades away from your body. Clear the work area of obstacles. To keep your trimmer in top shape, clean it after each use. Sharpen or replace blades annually. For cordless models, properly maintain the battery. Store in a dry place when not in use. With these tips, you'll be trimming like a pro in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get out there and start shaping those bushes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more landscaping advice. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for detailed product recommendations and additional tips. Thanks for watching and happy trimming.